our hot water heater is not lighting. So the light comes on, you may hear a click when it goes off. Now that's the heater trying to start, but the light comes back on indicating that it failed. That's out here, I'll show you. So it's trying. You can hear the gas, and then it stops. Even though these fuses are labeled, but none says hot water heater. Obviously, I have to check them all. I reinserted all the fuses and reflipped all the breakers. Nope. So next step, I guess I'll replace the propane tank with a fresh one. See if it just needs more gas pressure. I hear gas. Stinks. I just noticed these two drains. Never even seen them before. And it even says low point drain here. So I'm flushing them, hoping that it has something to do with the hot water heater not working. This blue one has been running, I don't know, at least 5, yeah. The red one went out in about a minute. Alright, so it just kicked on. Let's see if it stays. Nope. I'm gonna try something else now. I'll try the water pump. As far as I understand it, the water pump is only needed if you're just carrying your own water, as opposed to using city water, which is pressurized. But I'm getting desperate now to get this hot water heater working, so I'll try anything. Wouldn't really need the hot water, but it would just be nice for doing dishes mainly. Most of the campsites, all of them actually, have showers, and I can run up there to their deep sink and do dishes with the hot water. It would just be nice to have all of our conveniences here in the trailer. Nope, still didn't work. I just learned something from a YouTube video that said you want to run hot water, well, it's going to be cold water, through your hot line. It gets the air out. And I think that also fills up the hot water tank. My guess is the hot water heater doesn't want to run unless there's water in the tank. It'd be nice if we could see some water pretty soon. Must be a big tank. I'll be really happy if this works, but I'll feel dumb if it is what it was. Alright, so that's obviously cold water. Just coming through the city water, through the hot water tank with the hot water heater off. So now I can assume the hot water tank is full. And let's try the hot water heater again. Alright, just clicked on. Crap. Wasn't it? Another video said to light your burners before lighting the hot water heater. And if your hot water heater works, then that means that there's possibly air getting into the line. Woo. Nope. The gas comes through here and goes into there. Those two little wires, those rods you see in there, the igniter. So the igniter line comes through here. I'm thinking the igniter's not lighting because I don't see a spark there when it should. Okay, turn it on. 15 seconds, you'll hear a click, which means the gas has started, and you'll hear the gas. But you won't see the igniter go 7 seconds after that. Gas is on. I can smell it. Watch the igniter, nothing happens. Alright, turn it off. I'm going to try to manually light this now. Turn it on. It's on? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay, off. So we have gas flowing, but for some reason we're turning off. Turn it again just to see. Alright, so we have gas. Off. Alright, done for a bit. It's pretty frustrating. There's gas. Why would it turn off? Some forums I was reading said that the flame turning off after a few seconds could be a thermocouple or thermocouple. So this may not be the igniter. It looks like it to me, but it could possibly be the thermocouple. And what that is senses whether the flame is on or not. And of course, if the flame's not on, safety is that it's going to turn it off. So what I'm going to do this time different is I'm going to bend this a little bit while I'm testing it. This looks completely safe, I'm sure. I'm going to bend it a little bit so that those contacts or more in the flame. Alright, go ahead. Alright, those are in the flame now. I hear it clicking. Ah! Trying again. It was interesting that it was clicking while it was in the flame. Of course, my RV dealership is all the way up in LA. I give up for now. I'll Google it more later. I'll let my dealer deal with it. He's the dealer, he can deal.